Thank you for checking out our asset. This is the window framework for UI Toolkit from Garage-Ware Games. I'm going to give you a brief run through of the demo that is included with the asset. We're in a standard Unity project right now, version 6.6000.0.37F1. It should work with any version 6, possibly even older. I haven't tested it too much with the older stuff, but pretty much any recent version of UI Toolkit this should work with. When you start the demo, you'll see this is a temporary screen here. Again, this is standard Unity with the only asset installed is our window framework, as you can see sprawled out here in the project window. You can see here you have your window frame controller, which is on this demo controller unit, which you can access from here and here to see how they work. When you start the demo, it'll go through and it'll basically show you a series of different Windows examples, all of which are included here in our examples scripts in the demo folder. This is your atypical startup screen. You could fill this content with anything you like. But the heart of the matter is what Window Framework does for you. The Window Framework allows you to create runtime windows quickly, easily. You get your atypical window, which is a header, content section, and a footer. The footer also has a content section in there called the footer toolbar that can be assigned with additional information. These windows are movable. They are resizable. They come with ability to be locked into place by the user, so you can see the resize element disappeared. Unlock those windows. You can see it has a context menu that is completely programmable. You can assign them to anything, and even any of your slots or any visual element can be assigned with a tooltip or a context menu. The tooltips are really cool. All you have to do on the tooltips to enable them is to assign the tooltip value to whatever specific element you're working with. And the system will automatically find those tooltips, assign them, and create the on-hover examples for you. Again, these windows are movable and they have memory, which if we close this here and we reopen that, you can see it reopens in the exact same place, same size. You can extend that further because this is a dedicated window type with memory. The example inventory window here, you can see it's here, so you can look at the source code and see how it's done. You can also assign, let's say you had this inventory window set up in your world, and you could use this same window for any container you need just by changing its parent's ID. So if we were to add a new parent ID to it, you can see it opens a separate window. You can see the parent IDs here in the title. This window also gets its own base information. So like if we were to resize this one here and then close it, this one can be anywhere it needs to be. If we were to reset and say try to open the previous windows, you can see it still remembers all that information. This information also carries over through a gameplay session. So when you stop and restart the demo or the program, you can see it reopens the window. Now, we also included some other examples, a basic log viewer, a basic toolbar example of a locked window, and then the basic settings window here. Now, your settings window is included with it. It is down here in the custom windows. This can be reused, modified however you want. It is a basic window with the content section set up to allow settings of configuration, and then a couple of buttons tossed into the toolbar footer toolbar section. You can adjust some basic information here, like your fade time, how soon does it fade, or how long it takes to fade. Same with your tooltips. You can make them very long or make them take a long time to show up. All these are setting. All these are adjustable. You can turn tooltips on or off. You also have the ability to assign multiple themes, multiple style sheets to the runtime, so that you can change them at runtime. You can see the USS takes over. This one has extremely large heading values, etc. This one's just, you can see the colors you can see the different sections very well with this color scheme, even though it's not the prettiest, but it is obviously holiday colors. Yeah, from there, you can clear your prefs. It will clear them. It will only close windows that are unlocked. So you have to unlock that window. If you didn't clear your prefs, it would clear it and reset the demo back to the original starting state. We will be adding videos to our YouTube channel, giving a rundown step by step. We have a couple of them made already. I will be remaking them just per Unity requirements of not having the skybox in the background. So I will be remaking those videos and then continuing that series out to creating a basic UI with the window framework. All right. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any problems, you can email us, which is available on our YouTube channel or on our asset store listing. You can also access our YouTube channel at Garage-Ware Games. And thank you for watching.